Hi, welcome once again to our series, How to Rebuild Your Relationship with Your Husband. Until now, we talked about getting rid of negative voice in your head. Equally important is to let go of the past, because if you hold on to the past, there is no way you will be able to create your future. So very important to let go of the past. Forgiveness is one of those techniques and very powerful techniques that will help you to let go. Now, one of my clients was asking me once that why should I forgive that person who has hurt me so much, who has brought about so much misery in our relationship. Now, I want to tell you that when you're forgiving, you are not forgiving for somebody else's sake or for his or her sake. You are forgiving for your own sake. Why? Because when you are holding on to those situations, those moments, those memories, you are actually holding on to the pain that comes along. When you forgive, when you let go, it helps you to release all that emotional pain within you. And the bonus you also get is that your husband starts to experience that forgiveness within him, and it impacts the overall relationship between you and him. So here I am telling you a prayer. You do this prayer for 41 days, morning, when you get up and before you sleep. When you do this prayer, you will experience the change within yourself and within your relationship. So go to a silence zone for about 5 minutes, put your hand on your heart and say this. I may have hurt someone knowingly or unknowingly. Through my own confusions, I ask their forgiveness. Pause. When you say, I ask their forgiveness, in your mind, you will imagine that when you're asking for their forgiveness and they are forgiving you, how is it that they are looking and how is it that how is it that you are feeling? Continue. If others have harmed me in some way, knowingly or unknowingly, through their own confusions, I forgive them. Pause. When you say I forgive them, in your mental space, you are imagining that person's face, that when you forgive that person, how is that person responding and how is it that you are feeling? Okay, continue. There are situations which I am not ready to forgive yet. I forgive myself for that. Pause. There are situations which have been so painful in the past and you are holding on to them. When you are holding on to these situations, you are actually inflicting more pain on yourself. So when you say, I forgive myself for that, it means that you are not beating yourself up. You are forgiving yourself because of the pain you are inflicting on yourself by holding on to those situations. Right? Last paragraph, we resume. In ways that I have harmed myself, doubted or negated myself, or judged or criticized myself, I forgive myself for that. Here again, you are forgiving yourself because through doubts, through criticisms, through belittling yourself, you are again inflicting pain on yourself. So you are asking for forgiveness from within you. When you are able to forgive yourself, that is the time the person inside you, that core of you begins to feel happy, peaceful, and then it helps you to create the future that you want. Please do practice this and I will wait for your comments in the comment box. Should you need any help, I am just a message away. And yes, I am looking for those 3 awesome women who have a fantastic career but who are struggling in their married lives and who want to really turn it around in just about 90 days time without losing dignity or without sacrificing career. I am leaving a link to my appointment calendar in the description box below. Pick up your date and your time slot and I am going to be calling you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do share this video and press the like button if you've liked this. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great life. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video soon. Bye.